Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the battery for VW key fob. So the process is simple. Just open this, and after that you can see this cap over here. Just pull it out. And this is where the battery is. You have to push this battery a little bit towards the VW sign, and after that you can take off this battery. This is a, let's see if you can see over here, CR2032 battery, 3 volts. The same thing you do when you install the battery back, and after that push it back a little bit. That's about it. So another thing that I want to tell you and show you actually is after you are installing the new battery for the VW key fob, if you want to check to see if everything is working, just press one of the buttons and you'll see over here a small LED that is lighting up. That means the key fob is working properly. And so this is how you would change the battery for a VW key fob. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.